Yung pagpili ng course sa college is one of the most important decisions that we can make in our life. Pero what if hindi ka pa sure kung ano nga bang course yung kukunin mo? Hi guys, it's Carol and welcome to another episode of the College Courses Explained series. For today's episode, we will talk about Bachelor of Science in Pharmacy. So if you are someone who is interested in medicines, chemistry, healthcare, and helping people use the right drugs safely, this course might be for you. So ano nga ba ang BS Pharmacy? It is a degree program that focuses on medicines, drug formulation, pharmaceutical sciences, patient safety, and the proper use of medications. In simple terms, pharmacy students learn how medicines are made, how they work in the body, and how to ensure that patients use the right drugs safely and effectively. Now, ano-ano nga ba ang mga subjects under BS Pharmacy? Usually, merong mga subjects like general chemistry, organic chemistry, biochemistry, pharmacology, pharmaceutics, clinical pharmacy, pharmacy practice, toxicology, and community pharmacy practice. So as you can see, it is a combination of chemistry, biology, medicine, and healthcare-related subjects. Now, ano-ano namang mga skills ang madedevelop mo in BS Pharmacy? You will develop analytical skills, attention to detail, critical thinking, problem-solving abilities, and strong knowledge of medicines and their effects on the body. Because of this, being accurate, responsible, detail-oriented, and careful is very important since small mistakes in this field can have serious consequences. Now let's talk about career opportunities. As a BS Pharmacy graduate, you can work as a licensed pharmacist after passing the pharmacist licensure examination, a drugstore pharmacist, a hospital pharmacist, a clinical pharmacist, usually as a specialization within hospital or clinical practice settings. You can also become a quality control analyst, a regulatory affairs officer, a drug safety officer, and research and development assistant. So you can work in drugstores, pharmacies, hospitals, medical centers, pharmaceutical companies, government health agencies, research laboratories, manufacturing and quality control facilities, and international healthcare and pharmaceutical companies. Now, when it comes to salary, it will depend on the company, the location, your position, and experience, but generally, entry-level licensed pharmacists may earn around 18,000 to 28,000 per month. For mid-level pharmacists naman, they may earn around 28,000 to 50,000 per month. And for experienced pharmacists, regulatory specialists, or those working abroad in pharmaceutical industries, salaries can range from 50,000 to 100,000 per month. Now, sino ba ang bagay sa BS Pharmacy? This course might be a good fit for you if you are interested in chemistry and medicines, detail-oriented and highly accurate. You are responsible and you are careful in decision-making. You are interested in healthcare and patient safety. You are good at memorization, analysis, and problem solving. So if you see yourself working with medicines, helping patients use drugs safely, or working in hospitals and pharmaceutical companies, BS Pharmacy might be the right course for you. So that is Bachelor of Science in Pharmacy explained in simple terms. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments what course you want me to cover next. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you follow me for more episodes of College Courses Explained.